Hello everyone, welcome back to Prodhead channel. Today we are discussing the best laptops under 60,000 rupees in India. If you are planning to start a company or open your own website, you might have certain requirements. One of the major requirements for these profitable businesses is having a good laptop with advanced features. A laptop is required to maintain personal details and account related details. Even though it is impossible for you to purchase a costly laptop for all the employees in your company, the one thing you can do is purchase one laptop for your requirement for a decent price like 60,000 rupees and provide your employees with basic laptop. If you are looking forward to purchasing a laptop for 60,000 rupees, you might find that there are a variety of models and designs available in the market. Most of the people nowadays try to buy one without trying to gain proper knowledge about computers and new technology. Many people rely on the person who suggests assisting you in the laptop shop. Otherwise, they will purchase a laptop that is most commonly found in advertisements and other social media platforms. But the important question is that if they understand what they are purchasing and what features they have been given. Nowadays, the design and some shining features of the laptop like thumb impression and touchscreen are more preferred by people rather than original important features like brand and processor. If you are purchasing a laptop for a good price and also understand the features before purchasing them, then read the passage ahead. Before choosing a particular model in the market, check out these features and make sure if they are available. If you have already created a budget of 60,000 to 70,000 rupees, also read the ahead passage to understand what features can be availed and what you will be provided with in the laptops within that price range. Storage. There are a variety of storage devices available within a laptop. Even though there are a variety of external storage devices like external hard disk and pen drive, it is still necessary to have basic internal storage device for proper functioning. There are two types of internal storage devices available. One is called random access memory or RAM. The other one is called permanent memory or storage device that is usually called a disk drive. With the help of these two storage devices, the computer or laptop functions perfectly. RAM. Random access memory or RAM is also called a temporary storage device. When an application is running, all the performance and work that you do within the application will be temporarily stored in the random access memory. With the help of manual intervention, you can later save these temporary details to a permanent memory called the disk. All the details stored in the random access memory will be deleted and the application is closed or when the laptop is shut down. Suppose if you are running more than one application at the same time, then you might require a RAM with suitable storage space so that the applications can run with no interference. Low storage space can slow down the functioning of the application. For normal usages like games and projects, having 4 to 8 GB RAM will be perfect. But if you're looking forward to using a laptop for heavy purposes like programming and hacking, then it is essential to have a RAM storage space of at least 16 to 32 GB. If you are purchasing a laptop for 60,000 rupees, then you will get a RAM of 8 to 16 GB. There are some certain special laptop configurations for the price of 60,000 rupees where the system has a RAM of 32 GB. You can also purchase such combinations. Disk drive. The disk drive is mainly used for storing data permanently. Even when the laptop is switched off, there are two types of disk drives available in the market. One is the solid state drive or SSD, while the other one is hard disk drive or HDD. Both these disk drives are equally important, but most of the people, especially programmers, prefer using the solid state drive because of their uses. The solid state drive is a special storage device where all the information is stored in the form of separate bits like flash memory. So if you are trying to retrieve information from the laptop, then the controllers within the laptop will process the information quickly without having to wait for a certain time. They are faster and most safe when compared to HDD. They are made of shockproof technology and hence even if there is external damage to the laptop, the data will be stored safely within this drive. Having an SSD drive with a memory of 128 to 512 GB will be more than enough for a fast laptop. The laptops that come within the price range of Rs 60,000 will have SSD drives. The hard disk drive is an old storage device that uses the disk-like structure for storing the information as memory bits. The disk rotates at a speed of 5000 to 7500 RPM. So when the computer requests particular information from the disk, the information should be extracted from them during the rotation, which will take a bit of time when compared to the SSD. Also, this disk is not shockproof and it can be easily damaged when the laptop falls down. Having a 512 GB to 1 TB HDD will be more suitable for general usage and also for storing a lot of data. Most of the laptops that come within the price range of Rs 60,000 will have these features, and sometimes certain laptops will be a combination of both SSD and HDD. Processor. Having a good processor is essential for the proper running of a laptop. There are a variety of processors available in the market. A processor maintains the input and outputs of the laptop. A processor is like the heart of the laptop, and without them, the laptop cannot function properly. It is also responsible for the speed and fast accessing of applications within the system. If you have a good processor, then your application will be supported to a greater extent, and the functioning of the laptop will be smooth. There are different types of processors available in the market. Most of the laptops use Intel Core processors. They are more efficient and compatible with most of the systems. But other than that, there are also some other famous processors like AMD Ryzen processor. Recently, the processors that are released have an added advantage of having 2 or more cores. Purchasing a processor with dual or quad core will be an added advantage. When there is over 1 crore present in the laptop, then it will be easier for you to run multiple applications in different cores, so that processing speed will be higher. Most of the people prefer using i3 and i5 and i7 models from Intel because of their quality and processing speed. When you are purchasing a laptop for programming and gaming purposes, then it is essential to use one of the above Intel Core models. Also, while purchasing a laptop for 60,000, the processor used will be Intel Core i3, i5 or i7. Along with that, there are certain laptops with AMD Ryzen processor. Graphic card. A graphic card converts the codes and outputs from the processor into suitable images so that they can be displayed on the screen. Without a graphic card, it would be impossible for most people to understand computer language. There are a variety of graphic cards available in the market, but the most famous ones are NVIDIA and AMD. But most of the processors come along with an integrated graphic card. But sometimes when you are working with animations and graphic designing, there might be a requirement for an assistant graphic card that can work along with the integrated card to provide a perfect version. For normal processing, it is essential for you to have a graphic card of 2 GB so that the card can take multiple inputs at the same time and convert them at a faster rate. If you are purchasing a laptop for normal project related purposes, then an integrated graphic card will be sufficient. But otherwise, purchase one with the extra graphic card. Most of the laptops that come within the price of Rs 60,000 will have a graphic card integrated within their processor. But if you need an assistant card, you can fix them separately. Screen size and resolution. From a normal cheap laptop to the highest model, one thing that all the users require is the resolution of the screen along with their size. If you are a graphic designer or animator, then you will have to have a requirement to purchase a laptop with a screen size of at least 15 to 17 inches. You can also purchase a normal laptop with 14 inches screen size. Most of the laptops available in the market come along with an HD resolution. But having a perfect resolution with the ability to change the brightness will be a perfect option for you. Also, make sure that the webcam is integrated within the laptop so that you can do other related work. Most of the laptops available for the price of Rs 60,000 will have a resolution between 1080 pixel clarity. You can use them for playing games, creating animations, and also for video editing. Quality. Along with the above options, the quality of the laptop also plays an important role. The keyboard of the laptop should have been designed ergonomically so that all the important keys like Control, Alt, Shift and Delete can be accessed easily. The quality of the laptop also depends upon the life of the battery and how long the laptop can exist without connecting it to an external charger. Most of the laptops, regardless of their price, can withstand at least 10 hours, and the design of the laptops are also justified. Also, make sure that your laptop you purchase has proper ports for connecting external hard disks and other storage devices. Some laptops we purchase for Rs 60,000 come along with pre-installed versions of operating systems like Windows 10 and Microsoft Office programs. This will prevent you from purchasing them unnecessarily and reinstalling. Whatever the laptop model you have purchased, make sure they have excellent quality and features that you can use for future purposes. If you are a student, then a laptop that can be used for future programming should be bought. It is an enormous investment and makes it wise with the proper knowledge of features. Given below are some models available commonly in the market. The people prefer that for that price. If you are interested, you can also purchase either of them through Amazon or Flipkart. Or you can purchase another laptop with similar features. Here are the recommendations. Dell Inspiron 5482 14-inch FHD. Description: clear 14 inches screen with 2 GB HD graphics. Pre-installed Windows and MS Office. Core i3 processor with 512 GB SSD and 6 GB RAM. Touchscreen with 360-degree rotation. Acer Aspire 5 A51554. Description: a good Core i5 processor with 2 GB integrated graphics. Pre-installed Windows 10 and Microsoft Office software. 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. HP 14 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor. Description: Intel Core i5 10th generation processor, 14 inches widescreen, 1 TB hard disk drive with 8 GB RAM. Made up of silver with a stylish thin appearance. Lenovo ThinkPad 14E Intel Core i5. Description: 14 inches wide screen with HD quality, 8 GB RAM with 1 TB HDD and 128 GB SSD, pre-installed Windows 10 and Microsoft Office, black laptop with a thin structure, HP 15 AMD Ryzen 7 15.6-inch FHD laptop. Description: AMD Ryzen 7 processor, 15.6 inches widescreen, pre-installed Windows 10 and MS Office, 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD, natural silver laptop with a thin structure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and share and subscribe to Prodhart channel.